Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are diving deep into the modern usage of the phrase Holy Spirit activate. This phrase has taken social media by storm, especially on platforms like TikTok and Instagram, becoming a cultural phenomenon. Let's break down its origins, meaning, and how it's being used today, step by step. Step 1. Understanding the origins. To grasp the phrase Holy Spirit activate, we first need to understand its roots. It comes from a viral video featuring a Christian influencer who used the phrase in a comedic way. The intent was to depict a moment of divine intervention, where the Holy Spirit is called upon to facilitate a change or help someone overcome a challenge. This blend of humor and spirituality resonated with many, leading to its widespread adoption. Step 2. Analyzing the meaning. At its core, the phrase suggests a desire for divine guidance or support during critical moments. When someone exclaims, "Holy Spirit activate," they're often in situations that require a boost of confidence, clarity, or action. It can be a lighthearted way to express a serious plea for help, which captures the attention of the audience and helps to convey the underlying emotions effectively. Step 3. Exploring modern usage. Today, Holy Spirit activate has transcended its original context and is being used in various scenarios. Whether people are facing challenges at work, dealing with personal issues, or even during dance battles, the phrase has become a go-to expression to summon motivation and positivity. It's often used humorously, showcasing a light-hearted approach to serious situations. Step 4. Looking at social media trends. On social media, users have created memes, videos, and challenges centered around the phrase. From TikTok dances to inspirational posts, Holy Spirit activate serves as a relatable way to express the need for support. The phrase has garnered millions of views, creating a sense of community amongst those who use it. It's interesting to note how a phrase born from a personal moment has evolved into a shared cultural expression. Step 5. Reflecting on its impact. The impact of Holy Spirit activate goes beyond mere entertainment. It serves as a reminder of the human experience, where we all seek help and reassurance at different points in our lives. By incorporating humor into our struggles, we can foster a sense of connection and shared understanding. This phrase encapsulates the power of language to uplift and inspire. As we wrap up this exploration of Holy Spirit activate, we encourage you to think about how you can incorporate positivity and humor into your own life. Remember that it's okay to seek support, whether it's through friends, family, or a more spiritual avenue. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Your support helps us continue bringing you valuable discussions. Thank you for watching.